Welcome to our video on the top 3 ways to make money online. In this video, we will be discussing freelancing, affiliate marketing, and online surveys. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world. Some popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and choose the projects that interest you. You can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. Freelancing is a great way to build your skills and gain experience in your field. You can also network with other professionals and build your portfolio. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money online. You can promote products and services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Affiliate marketing allows you to work with a variety of brands and products. You can choose the products that align with your interests and values. Affiliate marketing can be a passive source of income, as you can earn money while you sleep. However, it requires effort and dedication to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Online surveys are a simple way to earn money online. You can sign up for survey websites and get paid for sharing your opinions. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Online surveys can be a fun way to share your opinions and influence the products and services you use. You can also earn rewards and gift cards for completing surveys. Online surveys can be a great way to supplement your income, but they may not provide a full-time income. It's important to choose legitimate survey websites and avoid scams. Those are the top 3 ways to make money online. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.